Should I learn grammar or not? Hello friends, welcome to back my YouTube channel English with Vijay. So if you don't know guys who I am, my name is Vijay. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Sultanpur. Many people think should I learn grammar or not. So I would say if you are going to do exam, then you should learn grammar. But if you are going to do any jobs, any interviews, any other sector, like if you are going to do like job a call center, then no need to learn grammar, bro. Because if you are understand what other person saying, if you other person are understand what you are saying, that is important. No need to learn grammar, bro. Like nobody knows about the perfect grammar. Don't follow perfections will follow you. You know why? Because see, if you see like lots of blogs in English, you understand, but when it comes to speak, you are not able to understand. Why? Because you are not doing that much practice. If you are doing practice, then you will be understand, you have to like you will be able to speak English. So you have to speak a more and more. No need to learn grammar. See, you are talking with someone stranger, see, like foreigners. When foreigner ask any question, you have to give answer. You don't have to time to remind your grammars. You don't have to time make sentence in your mind. You have to just give answer. Yeah, if you are like making a little mistake, after that it will be okay, bro. No need to that much follow up perfections will follow you, I always said. Because grammar, yeah, like if you are like a student, if you are going to do exam, then important, that is then definitely important. But for spoken English, it's not that much important to learn grammar. Because I talk lots of person, I lots of thousands of person I speak. They always saying in my I was talking with I was talking few month ago, couple of month ago, in one man who are working in a library, and he said in my library, like lots of students came every single day, and they are not able to speak English like you. I said, okay, they are not educated. He said they are have a degree. They have a lot degree, but they are not able to speak. I said because they are learning grammars. Grammar rules is because I try to learn grammar lots of time. It feels stuck. I feel stuck while learning grammar because you have to think in your mind while speaking. What should I use? So that's why I'm saying, if you are thinking is grammar is difficult, then don't need to learn grammar. Then you have to do practice. You have, if you are listening, suppose when did you are born, when you are born, you don't know about any kind of words your native language, you don't know. First of all, you have like you listen a lot, after that you try to speak, na. So same like is English also. If you are listening a lot, then you will be understand every single word. So no need to learn that much grammar. The thing is that if you are listening every single day, if you are speaking, that is important. Because what I am doing, if you think it easy to learn grammar, then try to learn grammar. But if you are learning grammar, then never stop, bro. Because if you are stopping a 2 month, 15 days, even a 10 days, you will forgot all the grammar rules. If you are not learning grammar, if you are just listening and speaking, then you never ever forgot what I am learned. Because you know how to speak, you know, no need to make a sentence, no need to make a sentence in your mind. Like if you are doing every single day, then it will be okay everything, grammar. And also if you're not learning grammar, if you are learn, after that it will be okay. If you do practice, if you speak a lot, if you speak a lot, if you listen a lot, so do that. Don't take a stress, bro, while learning English, you know. So because I am doing that, I'm not thinking. If you are thinking it's easy to learn grammar, then learn. No need to, then don't ask anyone. Yeah, because see, whatever you feel easy, if you feel easy to without learning a grammar, if you feel easy to learn grammar, then learn grammar. No need to suffer. So depend on you what feels easy to you. Because I feel easy to learn English without grammar, that's why I'm not learning. And you know, like sunlight is too hot. This side I'm not invisible in this side because it's sunlights. And you can see how beautiful is my background. So bye bye, see you soon. And yeah, if you are wanted to speak English, spoken English, if you need spoken English, don't need to learn grammar. Bye bye, see you soon. Never ever chase perfection. Perfections will follow you. Bye bye, see you soon.